Hello kids! Today we're learning about amazing sea animals. Let's dive in! Orca. Orcas are also called killer whales. They are strong and smart hunters. Dolphin. Dolphins love to jump and talk with whistles. Manta Ray. Manta rays glide through the ocean like birds in water. Lionfish. Lionfish have long striped fins that look like a mane. Starfish. Starfish have 5 arms and can grow them back if lost. Blue whale. Blue whales are the largest animals on Earth. Thornback Ray. Thornback rays have spiky backs and swim close to the sea floor. Seal. Seals clap their flippers and love to rest on rocks. Shrimp. Shrimps are tiny and swim backward when they're scared. Stingray. Stingrays have flat bodies and glide smoothly underwater. Shark. Sharks have sharp teeth and can smell from far away. Lobster. Lobsters have strong claws to grab and hold food. Turtle. Sea turtles have hard shells and live for many years. Fish. Fish breathe through gills and live in water all around the world. Octopus. An octopus has 8 arms and can squirt ink to hide. Seahorse. Seahorses swim standing up and the dads carry the babies. Hammerhead shark. Hammerhead sharks have wide heads to help them see better. Crab. Crabs walk sideways and use claws to catch food. Jellyfish. Jellyfish float gently and glow in the dark ocean. Clownfish. Clownfish live safely inside sea anemones.